What were the Third Reich in Germany? The first one, Holy Roman Empire, was born during Middle Ages and lasted about a millennium before it was disbanded by Austria because of Napoleon. After that, Germany was a mess, like it wasn't before. There were kingdoms that were one city small or massive, like Prussia. Talking of Prussia, the Second Reich, or the German Empire, it was built of many separate bloody wars by Prussia and treaties. After World War One, Germany had a civil war and became the Weimar Republic, which isn't the Third Reich yet. In 1933, the president made some Austrian painter named Hitler the chancellor and then proceeded to die. Then Hitler was just like, I can fix everything, and made a law that gave him all the power and made the Third Reich. But it was mostly empire that Nazis aspired to make but never got there because of allies. Okay, that's it. Comment below if you want to see content more like this, and we'll see you next time. See ya.